What do you say, Kate? What is it?
Yeah, candy.
It's candy? Here. Good eating candy at 9:30 in the morning. Is it yummy? Did you get some candy? Say Happy Easter. Can you say Happy Easter? Can you say Easter Bunny? Here, Kate. Here's your Easter Bunny. Can you say Easter Bunny? Say Happy Easter. Say candy. Can you say cheese? You giving me the top?
Up.
Off. Actually, out. There it is. Get it. Can you open it by yourself?
Thank you. We're going to go on it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to choose candy.
Candy. Can you say chocolate?
Chocolate.
Yeah, that's chocolate candy. Say Happy Easter. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good girl.
Daddy.
Daddy? Oh, candy?